Here I've got iPhone XS clone, and let me show you how to enable night mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then go to the general and scroll down, pick accessibility then. Now go to the very bottom of the list and tap on color inversion, so it's this icon. And as you can see, the display changed, so the display is black and the letters are white. So it helps not only your eye to feel more comfy, but also the battery, so it will last way longer. It's definitely very good for battery saving. So that's it. Now you can use your device in this night mode and color inversion. And then if you would like to go back to the standard option, just tap on the same switcher on the same icon one more time. And now you're back in standard colors. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.